The upcoming Galaxy S25 is generating significant buzz with its expected upgrades, including the highly anticipated Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip. This chip promises lightning-fast performance, but concerns arise over its cost. A well-known leaker suggests that phones with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 models SM8750 will see a significant price increase compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 models. This price hike has already led one manufacturer to cancel their Pro model phone. Developers face the dilemma of passing this increased cost to consumers or compromising on features. They might downgrade certain aspects like cameras or storage, or continue using the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or 8S Gen 3 chips for affordability. Alternatively, enhancing software capabilities could offset hardware cost cuts. Rumors suggest the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will have a significant boost in clock speed, up to 4.26 GHz, potentially matching Apple's A18 Pro chip. However, its high cost may challenge consumer acceptance. Stay tuned for more updates on the Galaxy S25.